Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make this amazing Brussels sprout recipe. They are crispy without being fried, so flavorful without adding bacon. Let me show you how to make this easy, quick recipe. And let's get started. I have 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts. I removed the tops just like so, and a layer or two if needed. Give them a very good rinse, and I'm gonna use the mandolin to slice. You can cut into quarters, but this way, using the mandolin, they'll get crispier without using too much oil and they'll cook faster. This is the perfect thickness. I'm gonna finish the whole amount, and please be super careful using the mandolin. And I usually use another Brussels sprout to push the last slice. That way it's safer. Just like so. Use another Brussels sprout and it's easy. And don't forget that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Follow me on social media as well. The links are going to be in the description box below. Moving on to the next step, I'm gonna move the Brussels sprouts to a large bowl. Add some salt and black pepper. Add half a tablespoon of each, and I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. It's better to add a high smoking point oil, but you can definitely use olive oil if you prefer. 3 to 4 tablespoons is about right. I mix with my hands, with my clean hands, very well. You're gonna spread in a thin layer on a pan lined with silver paper or foil paper and parchment paper. That's totally for easy cleanup. Spread like so, and you're gonna bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. 10 minutes in the oven, and you can give them a little bit of a toss with a spoon just to make sure it browns all over. The Brussels sprouts are going to come out of the oven so crispy and so great on their own, but to make them super special, I'm going to make a sauce out of honey and balsamic vinegar. I add a 1/4 cup of honey, 1/8 cup of balsamic vinegar, a very good thick balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, you can add pomegranate molasses, no problem. 1.5 tablespoons will be just right. Drizzle as much as you want on top of the Brussels sprouts, just when they're warm. I'll tell you, they're crispy, they're sweet, they're tangy, they're everything you want in a Brussels sprout. Try them very soon. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!